Black women once again helped Hillary Clinton in the Deep South by voting for her in huge majorities in Mississippi. Early on, Clinton's strategy was to target the mothers of dead black children and recruit them as surrogates. The mothers of murdered teens, Trayvon Martin and Jordan Davis, have started to actively shield in the corporate media and act as attack dogs for the very woman who gave speeches calling their children super predators, which was widely known as racist right-wing talking points during the 90s, demonizing black children that continue to this day. It is understandable that these women are in pain and perhaps not fully informed about the woman they are supporting, but it is unforgivable that Clinton would exploit their pain for personal political gain. Hillary Clinton's heart has not changed, as evident by her angry responses to young black women who challenge her on her record of supporting the policies that have devastated black families. Black Lives Matter activist Ashley Williams of Charlotte, North Carolina, paid $500 to attend a closed-door meeting with Clinton and other donors where she confronted Clinton about her racist language and if she would apologize for her support of race-based mass incarceration policies. Hillary Clinton did not apologize and stated, "No one has asked me that question." Perhaps motivated by Clinton's response to Ms. Williams, Don Lemon asked Clinton if the term super predator was racist code. Clinton still did not apologize for the offensive racist language she used to sell her husband's policies and dodged the question, stating she should have used different language, and then started talking about issues unrelated to the question about her use of racist code words. It is shameful that many of the black women throwing their support behind a woman who also once referred to single mothers as lazy people who don't want to work, sitting around collecting welfare, apparently they are not as informed on Clinton's record as they should be. Perhaps the tide is turning as Democrats get deeper into the primary season, with under 30 black voters in Michigan favoring civil rights veteran Bernie Sanders over the untrustworthy Hillary Clinton. This has been Scotty Reed with your Black Talk Radio Weekly Commentary. Join me and other independent media producers at blacktalkradionetwork.com.